Hi everybody, we are doing the standard algorithm for multiplication. 3 digits on top, 1 digit on the bottom. So it might look a little intimidating, but if you have done 2 digits times 1 digit, it's actually the same. You just go one round more. So let me show you an example. In earlier videos, we did this one, and we just did 4 times 8 and then 4 times 1. So 4 times 8, and you carry if you have to, then 4 times 1. Well, if there's one more digit there, you're just going to do it one more time. So let me show you what I mean. We'll do 3 times 5, 3 times 4, just like the other problems. And then we'll just do it one more time and do 3 times 2. And you just want to keep in mind that you're going to carry, just like if you're doing addition. If you do 3 times 5, for example, and you get a digit or a number with 2 digits, you just carry. And then when you do this one, if you get a big number, you carry again. And then at the end, you don't have to because you're finished. So we're going to get all the way to the purple. Let's go ahead and start. You can see we're going to do blue, so 3 times 5. Then we'll do green, 3 times 4. And then purple, 3 times 2. All right, so 3 times 5 is 15. And you can't fit the whole 15 down there, so you're just going to carry just like you would if you were doing addition. So the 1 up top and the 5 underneath. Done with the blue, done with the 5. Now we're going to do the green, 3 times 4. And remember, whatever you get, you'll add this in. So 3 times 4 is 12. 12 plus 1 is 13. So 12 plus 1 is 13. And again, you can't fit the whole 13 down there because we're not done with the problem yet, so you have to carry over to the hundreds place. So 13, 1, 3, 13. Then this is just like our other problems. We're just going to do it one more time though. So now we'll do the purple. 3 times 2 plus 1. 3 times 2 is 6, plus 1 is 7. 735. Just to recap there what we did. 3 times 5 is 15. 3 times 4 is 12, plus 1 is 13. 3 times 2 is 6, plus 1 is 7.